Are you looking for the best robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 104 Combo Vacuum Mop. The iRobot Roomba 104 Combo is designed to make cleaning effortless for you. With powerful suction, it tackles dirt and dust on all floor types, including hard floors and carpets. Its self-emptying feature means you can forget about emptying the dustbin for up to 75 days, keeping allergens sealed away for a healthier home. The advanced LiDAR navigation maps your space precisely, allowing the robot to clean efficiently and avoid obstacles smoothly. Plus, when mopping, it smartly detects rugs and avoids them, so your carpets stay dry without any extra setup from you. What we like: easy setup and scheduling, strong cleaning performance, handles pet hair well, customizable app controls, quiet operation. What we don't like: app connectivity issues. Docking can take time. Number 2. eufy C10 Robot Vacuum with Self-Empty Station. The eufy C10 Robot Vacuum offers a hands-free cleaning experience with its self-emptying station, which stores dust for up to 8 weeks before needing a bag change. Its strong 4,000 pascals suction power helps you easily pick up pet hair, dirt, and crumbs, making your floors spotless. The unique extendable side brush is designed to reach every corner, so no hidden dust or pet hair is left behind. Plus, its laser navigation system creates smart cleaning paths, allowing you to schedule and customize cleaning sessions, saving you time and effort while keeping your home tidy. What we like: self-emptying dustbin, LiDAR navigation and mapping, quiet operation, strong cleaning performance, easy app setup. What we don't like: no mopping function, occasional brush tangling. Number 3. Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning machine that is perfect for homes with pets. With its incredible suction power, matrix clean navigation, and precision home mapping, this vacuum is able to clean your home thoroughly and efficiently. Its hands-free control and extended runtime make it a convenient and powerful tool for keeping your home clean and tidy. The Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and powerful cleaning machine. The Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is highly recommended by customers who have used it. They praise its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, which make it perfect for homes with pets. Customers also appreciate its precision home mapping, hands-free control, and extended runtime, which make it easy and convenient to use. Overall, the Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and efficient cleaning machine. What we like: excellent pet hair removal, strong suction power, self-emptying function, effective multi-surface cleaning, reliable mapping and navigation. What we don't like: occasional Wi-Fi setup issues. Battery life could be longer. Number 4. Tikom L8000 Plus Robot Vacuum Mop. The Tikom L8000 Robot Vacuum offers a hands-free cleaning experience with its large 3-liter self-emptying dust bag, so you don't have to empty it frequently. Its powerful 6,000 pascals suction easily picks up pet hair, dirt, and debris from both hard floors and carpets, automatically boosting suction on carpets for a deeper clean. Thanks to 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, it scans your home thoroughly and avoids obstacles like walls and stairs, ensuring no spots are missed. Plus, it combines sweeping and mopping in one device, allowing you to customize suction and water flow for different floor types, making your cleaning routine much simpler and more efficient. What we like: powerful suction performance, self-emptying dustbin, accurate LiDAR navigation, easy-to-use app control, effective vacuum and mop combo. What we don't like: mopping mainly for light cleaning, manual cleaning for stubborn stains. Number 5. Shark Matrix Plus Robot Vacuum UR2650WS. The Shark Matrix Plus vacuum offers powerful cleaning with strong suction and sonic mopping, making it great for both carpets and hard floors. You don't have to worry about emptying the dustbin often because it empties itself and holds up to 30 days of dirt. Its Matrix Clean technology ensures your floors get multiple passes for a deeper clean, removing more dirt than single-pass vacuums. Plus, with true HEPA filtration, it traps nearly all dust and allergens, helping you breathe easier. This vacuum is designed to make cleaning easier and more thorough, giving you more free time and a fresher home. What we like: strong suction power, accurate mapping technology, quiet operation, self-emptying base, easy setup process. What we don't like: app usability could improve, occasional mapping inconsistencies,